Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to animate desktop background in your Windows PC, whether it's Windows 10 or 11. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get on with the video. By default, you can have solid color, a picture or a slideshow in your Windows desktop, which can get repetitive or boring at times. Hence we'll be talking about a tool called Lively Wallpaper. We'll also talk about how to apply this tool, different options this tool have, and how it impacts the functionality of your PC in terms of resources. So we'll go to this website where you can have an option to download Lively Wallpaper tool. I'm going to leave this link in our description for you to check. So once you're on their home page, simply scroll down and you'll see two main options in order to download this tool. One is installer, one is from Microsoft itself. Getting from Microsoft will help you to have automatic updates, whereas with installer you'll need to manually check for updates. So we click on Microsoft link there. Once you click on Microsoft link, you'll come across this web page there. I'm also going to leave this link in our description so you can check them later. Once you click on this get button, you'll come to Microsoft Store where you can download this Lively Wallpaper tool. This will take some time depending on your internet speed. I'm going to fast forward this section so we'll waste less time. Once you go through the installation process, you'll come across a similar layout to this one. So we simply click on next. Well, here it's giving you an option to start with Windows. It's all up to you if you want to start with the Windows startup, or you can turn this off if you like. So once you launch the app after completing the setup, you'll see similar layout to this one. And now to apply any of these backgrounds, you simply click on it. Now if you see here guys, I need to simply click on a wallpaper in order to run this on our background. So we'll go back to the app and see what other options you have. Now let's say you manage to set up all these Lively wallpapers and you want to customize them, then simply right click on wallpaper, and if you see here, it's giving you an option to customize this. Now once you click on customize, you have four main options, and if you see here all of these options, you can even change the color, speed, wave height there. Each option will have its own customization. And now let's say if I click on this one, click on customize, and it's giving you a lot more options to choose from. Now some of these backgrounds even interact with your mouse, and if you see here, I'll bring the cursor around and all these interaction and all these animations will follow your Windows mouse. These default backgrounds are really fun, but you might get tired of them. So to add more backgrounds, simply click on this plus button here that says add wallpaper. And once you click on them, and you see here, you have different options there to customize your wallpaper or have your own wallpaper. Now this is the option where you can also have your own video playing in the background. And when you're adding your own video, you'll have a few options there to add descriptions, title, author, website. Just simply click OK. And if you see here, this video is playing in our desktop background. You can also have an option to add a website in there in the background, even a YouTube video in the background. Let's say you find some looping videos on YouTube and you want to play them on your PC and make them as your desktop, you can even do that. Now to get to know more functionality on this tool, simply click on these setting buttons there. Once you click on settings, if you see here in general, you have an option to start this tool on Windows startup. You can also have different themes like dark or light, and in performance section, if you see here, you can pause this tool, tell the tool when to start and when to stop. Under performance, you can also control when this app should run and when you should pause this tool, such as controlling this app when you are running on battery power. Under wallpaper section, you can set your wallpaper to fit to the screen. You can also set interaction with the mouse, and even the quality of the video that you want to play come under this section. Under audio, it's giving you an option to play background audio that video has, and if you want to stop that, you can also reduce the volume to 0, or you can untick this option here. And you also have an option to play audio when the desktop is in focus. Under the system option, you have few options, including an option to set a theme for your taskbar. You can have it clear, you can have a blur, you can have a fluent. It also gives you an option to set a screensaver. Last category is miscellaneous. Under this section, you have a couple of options to look for. Now let's say if you have multiple monitors, you can simply click in here. You can span across these screens or duplicate same wallpaper on different screens, or just leave on one screen like I have. And to access your Lively Wallpaper from your desktop, you simply need to click your system tray and you'll see Lively Wallpaper icon where you can simply right click and have most common options that normally are in use. Now all of this really interactive and looks all cool. What impact this has on your PC performance? We simply go to Task Manager and check the usage of our system. Now you can clearly see the usage on my PC, which is an old machine and I still have a modded usage on my PC. So now you can decide whether it is something that you can have running all the time or only sometimes, which you can always change from Lively Wallpaper tool. That's it for now guys. Hope you'll find this video helpful if you are in need of changing your Windows boring desktop background. Give this video a thumbs up if you think this has brought you some value. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.